Don't underestimate the lenses of those simple viewfinder cameras from the old days. Those cameras are probably being thrown away en masse these days. The lenses are almost always attached to the device. It is possible to release them if necessary by brute force. The camera body will be no longer used. This little lens comes from a Beirette camera. If the lens is removed, there are plenty of rings and adapters available for conversion to digital. And if not available, make one yourself and 3D print them.